Taking an indirect dig at the Voice of the People Party, UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that it is difficult for any political parties to sustain if there is no substance. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh also observed that it is easy to form a political party and to create excitement among the people. According to him, within a few months after the Lok Sabha polls, the people have started to witness the true colors of the different political parties. Stating that this is not a drama which they act for 3 hours, he said that it is a race which will continue for several years.
Jong ki sengset batai baper kini kamde ka drama ka bangi ele ka ba ne lai kenta gere ka race ka ba ne bun snem pat na kata kadau ngadon insos kap ba kutong jongi na jaw constituency u ba Augusta Jerwa u yo thong jong ga jinjob.
The Meghalaya Congress has